Most people get sleep apps wrong by assuming they are all the same, but Sleepio takes a science-backed approach that makes it more effective than typical sleep trackers. Today, I'm sharing my honest review after using Sleepio to improve my sleep. Sleepio is a digital sleep improvement program based on cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, or CBTI. The surprising truth is that it doesn't just track sleep, it teaches you how to sleep better. The program assesses your sleep habits through a questionnaire and provides a personalized plan with daily sessions. Most people get this wrong by thinking sleep apps only provide charts and graphs, but Sleepio actively guides you to change behaviors that impact sleep. The app includes tools like relaxation exercises, sleep diaries, and progress tracking. Over a few weeks, I noticed improvements in falling asleep faster and staying asleep longer. The app also gives insights into sleep patterns and habits, helping you understand triggers like caffeine or screen time. One limitation is that the program requires commitment. Daily sessions and tracking are essential to see results. It's not a quick fix, but the behavioral approach is more sustainable than relying on sleep aids. In conclusion, Sleepio is ideal for anyone struggling with insomnia or poor sleep quality. Its structured, evidence-based approach provides actionable strategies and measurable improvements over time. Subscribe for more honest app reviews so you can choose tools that genuinely improve your health and well-being.